kayo, tapos stop. And then, yung magsasalita. Okay. Tapos yung magsasalita na kung sino. Okay, ready? Oh, ready lang. And move. Slow.
Garter po, ginawa po namin siyang representation ng yung disease po ng epilepsy. So, parang lahat po kami, yung una inside the garter, lahat po kami mga patient na may epilepsy.
Hindi kami makaalis.
Tapos pag-start po, we try to escape from, nagsistruggle po kami lumabas. Tapos, so yun, tapos,
bumalik po kami, medyo nag-call. Tapos, dahil sa pag-call, wala na po yung epilepsy.
iniwan na po siya.
And use your arm. Alright. Let's see. Move them. Form lang. Form and move them. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Sort of the people that are normal, and then I'm misunderstood because I'm epileptic, and then they only not represent the people who misunderstand epileptics, but they also represent the cage that epileptics are in. Kasi pag epileptic ka, parang feeling mo enclosed ka, parang trapped sa sila yung
Alright. You're now as one. Okay, thank you.
Okay, listen naman to the other group. Face that way. Face this way.
Facing here so it's support others. So you understand what they is. And ready? And go.
Wow.
Yung bilog po, symbolizes po yung world. Parang nagkakaisa po sila, parang po sa isang taong may disability. Tapos itong mga garters po, parang sa amin. Ito po yung nagko-connect ng lahat ng tao, para lang po matulungan ng isang taong may kapansanan.
Okay, now may
Here kayo.
Walang movement.
First year lahat?
Okay, so
Oh,
have a seat
goodness.
now. Okay, upo. Panoorin natin yung isa. And 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. Explain. Ano siya? Ano siya? Ano nangyari?
Siya po yung batang may epilepsy. Tapos, parang kahit anong gawin po namin nakatingin sa baba, still po we're tied to I mean, hindi po tied. Parang we have to, pa rin, yung epilepsy, we have to accommodate pa rin po to this world, to this society. Parang ganun.
Okay, helping hand. Okay. That was good. Alright. Now,